Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to find email address on Facebook page. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open that Facebook page. You want to find the email, and after opening the page, click on about, and if you can't find the about option here, then click on more and you'll find about here. So click on about, and inside of this additional contact information option, you will get the email address of the Facebook page. So as you can see, this is the email of this Facebook page. So this was how we can find email address on Facebook page. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.